welcome to The Explainer. Today we're looking at the single biggest threat to your debt review success.
So let's dive right in. The answer might actually surprise you, but you absolutely need to know it.
Okay, first up, let's remember the promise. This whole process is a fantastic way to get control back.
You know, for most people, 70 cents of every rand they earn is going straight to debt. It's a trap.
What Debt Review does is create a realistic budget. It gives you room to breathe, to actually live.
But look, those first steps are always tough. Making big changes is stressful, right?
And that's totally normal. Switching from credit to cash, that's a huge adjustment for anyone.
But then you hit the honeymoon period. The calls stop, you can breathe, life feels amazing.
So where do you think most people drop out? It's not at the hard part in the beginning.
It's after that honeymoon phase. The long, boring slog of repayment, that's the danger zone.
Because, life happens. Unexpected bills, family stuff, it all tests your commitment. And all the while, inflation is probably outpacing your salary. That squeeze gets tighter and tighter.
So yeah, this is the danger zone. Your motivation's low, and quitting now means you lose everything.
So you gotta watch for the warning signs, like skipping budgets or not checking your statements.
And be careful. This is when scammers might target you with fake offers, trying to pull you out.
The choice you make right here is going to have huge consequences for your financial future. No joke. But if you can just push through this part, something amazing starts to happen. Seriously. You pay off your very first account. That feeling is incredible. And this is where the magic starts.
It's the snowball effect. That money now attacks the next debt, then the next. It just speeds up. Honestly, your motivation will never be higher than when you're knocking down those last few debts.
Getting that final debt paid and holding your clearance certificate, that's a moment you'll never forget. So knowing where you are on this journey is key. It helps you get ready for what's coming.
Feeling like you're in that danger zone right now? Don't go it alone. Talk to your debt counselor.